Hi guys, so today we're going to learn how to draw a cute penguin. And always remember, have fun creating, and you can always make it your own. And at any point of this video, you can pause it if you need a break or if you need to catch up. So I'm going to start in the middle of my paper and I'm going to draw a big oval for his head. And inside that oval, I'm going to draw a circle towards the left side, and I'm going to keep it close to the edge. This will be the white part of the penguin's face. And inside there, I'm going to draw another circle for the pupil of his eye, which you can color any color. And inside of there, I draw 2 circles for a highlight, which I always keep white. Now we'll start with his back. So I start a line on the right side of the penguin's head, and I go straight down and I curve out just a little bit, and I curve back in, and I do a line down and a line up, and I curve in just a little bit for his tail. And I will start with his flipper. I do it on the front side of his face, and I draw a straight line out with a curved tip, and I curve back in, and then for the stomach I go halfway out of the flipper and I go straight line down, and I curve in and connect it to the other side of the tail. Now we'll move to his feet. So with his feet, you can do an oval, you can do a rectangle, but I do a flattened oval. I just draw a flat oval and connect it to the bottom side. And between the foot and his tail, I do a half circle to show that he has 2 feet. Next, we'll start with the ice cream cone. For this, I just draw an upside down rectangle without the top part. So I'll do a straight line down. I pick up my pen and go to the other side of the flipper, but you can draw a straight line through, slanted line through, and go back and erase it. And I do another slanted line to connect to make it a cone shape. From there we'll add the ice cream, and you can add as many scoops as you want. I start with a half circle, and I'll do a little squiggly line at the bottom so it looks like the ice cream's melting. And I come back up and I do a half circle to complete the scoop of ice cream. And from there I just do a half circle, and I'll follow the shape of my top of my other ice cream scoop, and I come back around and do a half circle and go back around to connect it. So that would be a second scoop of ice cream, and you can add a third scoop, which I did. So we'll just do the same thing as we did with the second scoop. And you can make any flavor ice cream you want. You can do chocolate chip, you can do strawberry, you can leave it vanilla. I also add a cherry on top of my ice cream, so I just do a circle with a little line inside and then the stem. And I'm adding polka dots on my bottom scoop. Like I said, you can do anything. You can add sprinkles, you can add stars to it, you can add polka dots to all of it. You can leave it plain and just color it different colors. You can color it multicolors. So I just added some sprinkles to the top and polka dots on the bottom, and that's going to be chocolate chips. So next I also drew a line from his face to the cone to make it look like he has a second flipper. And here I'm drawing the beak, so I just do a half an oval, and I draw a straight line, a curved line in the middle of his beak. And now I'm drawing some hair. You can put hair on them, you don't have to put hair on them. And I always add a heart to most of my drawings. And now we'll go and do the stripes on the ice cream cone. So I just do slanted lines down. You can put as many lines down as you want. You can also just leave it plain and just color it. But once I slant one way, I'll go back and slant the other way. And I usually try to use the points to the line and draw the slanted lines down, which you can see that I'm doing. And like I said, you can add 1 scoop of ice cream, 2 scoops of ice cream. If you really want a lot of ice cream, you can add 5 or 6 scoops. Alright, now that we're done drawing the penguin, I'm going to go color it, and I'll show you the end results. I really hope you had fun creating with me today, and I hope you guys have a great day. See you guys soon.